ini ki khasi ki crane 300 ke ki crane the original khasi
Kuble Paralok Kumno Fi Long Mithela. Today I will show you two Khasi villages on an island. The island is in Sylhet district of Bangladesh, very close to the Jantia hills of Meghalaya. On the way to the island, we will see the beautiful hill river that flows down from Meghalaya. On the island, we will see the Khasi Betel Leaf Gardens, the community restaurant, the church, the Darbar Hall, and more. At the end, we will hear from the headman of the Khasi village about the differences between the Khasi language spoken in Bangladesh and the Khasi language spoken in Meghalaya. I hope you will watch the whole video without skipping any part. So, before exploring the island, please subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoy the video, please leave a comment and share it with your friends. We are now standing at the very end of Bangladesh. This place is called Jaflong 0 Point. The houses you can see on the hillside over there are in a place called Dauki Bazar. Dauki Bazar is a border town in the Jantia Hills district of Meghalaya. We have come down from the 0 Point hill to get on a boat. That island you can see in the distance is the one we are going to. These boats charge 100 Bangladeshi taka per person to take tourists to the island and bring them back. Our boat has left the bank. In exchange for 100 taka, each tourist was given one ticket. We can use that ticket to return later on any boat. The river we are sailing on is called the Pian River. The river comes here from the Dauki River. Every day, thousands of tourists come here to bathe in the clear water that flows down from the hills of Meghalaya. But it rained today, so the water is muddy. These boats also take people to another place across the river called Shongrampunji Waterfall. But we are not going to the waterfall today. We are going to the Khasi village. Our boat has now come close to the bank. We are going to get off now. Following the Khasi children, we are entering the first village on the island. The Khasi village is locally called a Punji. The name of this village is Shongrampunji. Around 100 to 120 Khasi families live in Shongrampunji. These are the Khasi houses. The main source of income for the Khasi people here is betel leaf farming. We are walking along the village path to see the betel leaf gardens. Look, here are the white betel leaf gardens. The Khasi people sell betel leaves worth thousands of taka every day from their homes. Local wholesalers come here themselves to buy the betel leaves. We are now riding an auto rickshaw towards the second village on the island while enjoying the view of the betel leaf gardens. Look, here is a Christian family cemetery. Almost every Khasi family living in the two villages on the island follows Christianity. The main Christian denomination here is Presbyterianism. However, the Presbyterian church was closed at this time today, so we did not visit it. We found this Catholic church beside the road. Comparatively few people on the island follow the Catholic denomination. We have arrived at the second Khasi village. The name of this village is Nokshiar Punji. Around 50 Khasi families live in Nokshiar Punji. From what we saw, it seems that the Khasi people living in this village are quite wealthy and well off. Look at how beautiful and well developed the houses are. This house belongs to the landlord of the entire island. That means none of the people living on the island own the land. Instead, they all live under the authority of the landlord. Since today is a holiday, we could not go inside the house. One thing we noticed is that not many people can be seen around the Khasi houses in this village. We heard that many people from here live in Sylhet city in Bangladesh and Shillong city in Meghalaya for education and business. This is a Khasi community restaurant. Its name is Romola Restaurant. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is now taking place. Maybe someone here is a strong supporter of Spain, so they have hung the Spanish flag here. Inside the house, this restaurant has a very neat and beautiful seating area. Earlier, we saw a homestay in front. Here it is. Its name is Limba Homestay. If you book in advance, you can stay here overnight. This is the Darbar Hall. It looks like the construction work is still not fully finished. Now we will hear from the headman of Nokshiar Punji village about the differences between the Khasi language spoken in Bangladesh and the Khasi language spoken in Meghalaya.
Ini ki khasi ki kren 15 sora ke ki kren the original khasi ndre ni kren la kajong de namar ni ki sinteng ki war ki ba song basa sa Bangladesh ro ki kren la kajong ka tin ndre ni khasi ni kren de 15 sora 15 kot ke nadani kren chane ke tin sinteng ke di basong basa sa simang balbarka in yahab ke namar kata ni kasi ni kren bed ka tin sora kamba ni tho akot islam kan kata identitar ro ki kren lagajong namar ki penar ki kren lagajong de tin demi ki sinteng diwar bo tunjuk kami kasi ni kren daga de sora